Hello everyone, how are you doing? Hope you are all doing fine and welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. So I got this huge tomato, it weight around 550 gram scale. So I'm gonna start peeling it off. I'm gonna stuff it for this yummy salad, yeah? Just a few seconds here, you see, until the peel it just start to remove. Now to our plate and just peel it off, just as easy as you see. It will come through, yeah, just like that. So after peeling off, we got some ingredients. We got, of course, our second main ingredient, which is burrata stracciatella. You can also, of course, use regular burrata. It's up to you what you find in the store. I didn't find a burrata, but the stracciatella works perfectly. I got some pistachio, I got pesto, I got pistachio, olive oil, salt, pepper, and that's it. So we're gonna turn our tomato. I'm gonna remove the bottom of it, which is very hard. It's the core of this kind of tomatoes. It's very hard. It's not eatable. It's you will not eat it if you have this kind of tomatoes. Yeah, just remove it. If you have another kind of tomato, maybe you can eat it afterwards. Yeah, I'm gonna remove a little bit of the side of the tomato, but I'm not gonna discard it. I'm gonna use this teaspoon because I'm gonna use it for the salad as well. Yeah, just like that, very easy. Remove it carefully, don't break it, and don't go too deep, otherwise our filling will come on the other side. Yeah, so just like that. And now we're gonna add our stracciatella on the inside of our tomato. I'm gonna use 2 spoons, bit this time. Yeah, just like that. One big, one huge, and a little bit. Yeah, just like that. And now we're gonna go to our main dish. We're gonna add some pesto on the bottom of it, as you may see in the video. This is just regular pesto from the store. I didn't make it myself, but it also works. So you are gonna make a little bit of space in the middle for our tomato core, which we remove, and also it's a nice looking there on the side of the big tomato when it comes down. So now, as I said, our chopped tomato, this is the core of the tomato, which I just cut it very small. I'm gonna crush some pistachio, just like you see here. Yeah, there you go, some pistachios. Gonna cut them with a knife, just roughly, just like that. And I'm gonna add on top of the pesto. Yeah, so now, yeah, just on the side, on the pesto, like you have this crunchy side of the plate, and it's nice looking as well. So I'm gonna add to the bottom a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Yeah, and now it's the tomato turn. I'm gonna turn it now carefully. Yep, there you are. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt on top. I'm gonna add also a little bit of pesto on top, and I'm gonna finish it up with some pistachio olive oil, and of course crushed pistachio on top of it. So there we are. I hope you like it. There you are. Nice. I hope you can enjoy it. You like this video. If you like behind the video, and also subscribe to the channel for more recipes. So wish you a nice journey and take care.